Hey you guys, I'm in my basement cleaning and running across some shoes and things I had. These are my running shoes here. I found my checkers I was looking for. I was looking for this a long time. Here's another pair of my shoes. These are my Adidas. And I had some Coach shoes there. And I was looking in this box. I think the watch here, a Disney watch in this box. I think it just need a battery. This is my little radio here, you guys. That like when my run by batteries too. Like when my power go out or anything happen, I'm already on deck. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. So that's my motto. I have my little Nikes down here. And this is my slow cooker. I have my air fryer down here, you guys. There's some more of my shoes. My coffee maker. There's some more boots in that box. My pressure cooker. And here's the mug when my son went to Princeton. That they gave us this mug and a lanyard. And I just found it in this box down here. It's still wrapped up and everything. So I'm going to take this upstairs, you guys, and I'm going to clean it up real good. And this one I'm going to start drinking my coffee off of. So I thank you guys for watching. And I really came down here to see where I stand with my paper towel and tissue. So there's some paper towel. In this bag, paper towel. That bag, paper towel. There's tissue. And over here is 2 packs of Scott. So I'm doing inventory on my paper towel and my tissue, as well as my detergent and everything. So I'm writing down, getting my coupons together, getting my deals together. I already went to CVS this week, so I will be going next week and see what I need. So I'm looking through boxes and finding things, and it's a lot of work. So, well, let me start to put these things back together, you guys, and I will be chatting with you shortly, and definitely when I get back upstairs. I thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye now.